Hey everyone, want to add extra protection to your mega sharing links? In this video, I'll show you how to protect mega links with a password step by step. Yeah, adding a password helps keep your shared files and folders more secure by limiting access to people who have the correct password. First, open your web browser or the Mega desktop app and sign in to your Mega account. Make sure you're logged into the account that contains the file or folder you want to share. Next, go to your Mega Cloud Storage and locate the file or folder you want to protect. Organizing your files first makes the sharing process much easier. Now right-click the file or folder and select the Get Link or Share option. This will open the sharing settings where you can manage your link options. If password protection is available for your account and sharing settings, enable the password option. Then create a strong password that is difficult for others to guess. After setting the password, confirm the changes and generate your protected sharing link. Remember to share the password separately from the link for better security. Copy the protected mega link and send it to your intended recipient. The person receiving the link will need both the link and the password to access the shared content. If you want to change the password or stop access later, return to the sharing settings and update or remove the link protection, so you can stay in control of your shared files at any time. For better security, avoid using simple passwords and do not share protected links publicly. Always send the link and password through separate methods when possible. And that's how you protect mega links with a password. With this extra security layer, you can share important files while keeping unwanted users away from your content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.